Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Amy back with another video. If you are new, subscribe because it'll be the best decision you ever made. And if you are not new, hey girl, hey. We are back with the hair growth diaries. I'm kind of excited for this series because I'm just gonna document me growing my hair until I reach my desired length. And honestly, it's butt length, so we shall see how long it takes us to get there. Right now, I'm like almost at waist length. I'm like barely at waist length. I'm gonna stretch my hair. I'm going to take note of where my length stops. And this is measuring at 20. Goal is to be at 20 and a half for July or 21. And it is the next day, Tuesday at 9:04 a.m. Ask me how I'm feeling. Done. I'm done with my twists. This is what they look like. I'm low energy because I pulled an all-nighter per usual, which I need to really stop doing and start my hair earlier. These are the twists. I like the length. They look more elongated because I stretch it out. And I will just update you on the remaining weeks of June until I take them out in July. And I'll see you when I come back. Thanks, chat. Hey guys, I don't know what day it is. Oh, yes I do. It is Sunday, June 22nd. And I'll put these mini twists in the second week of June instead of the first, just because like that's the way my schedule lined up. This week that just passed, which is the third week of June, was week 2, and I did not record me doing an oil treatment or a scalp massage because I was so busy. My hair is already a little dirty, so I know that a wash is needed, so I'm not pressed that I missed 1 week of oiling. I'm now trying to work on having a clean scalp while having my long-term protective style in, because I think that also contributed to why last time I didn't see as much significant growth as I'm used to seeing. So I'm gonna oil my hair, and I also am not doing a hot oil treatment, not for any other reason other than I have somewhere to be like in a few minutes, so I'm kind of rushing through this. But otherwise, I definitely would do a hot oil treatment. Y'all know how that works. So the next update you'll see is probably when I take these out. I want to start doing my hair on the weekend just because it takes a bit of time. I actually don't like spending that much time on my hair, believe it or not. I have a whole hair YouTube channel, believe it or not. I don't be wanting to do my hair. I'm going to probably take them out towards the end of this week and prep my hair for a fresh set in July. I want a new hairstyle so bad, but honestly, you guys, I need to get to this goal, okay? I need to get to this goal. I need to get to this goal. By the end of 2026, I am not playing with y'all no more. Not playing with y'all. Not playing with y'all. I never was. Never could be playing with y'all. But anyway, I'm just being silly now. Once I install the fresh set of mini twists for July, it's gonna be a whole separate video. Honestly, I don't think there's gonna be much growth just because I will have only had these mini twists for 3 weeks. So I don't expect to see much, but we might be pleasantly surprised. But you know, low expectations so that we're not disappointed. Anyway, I think I'm just gonna put my hair in a little bun today. Every time my hair starts to get frizzy and not as like crisp and clean, I love wearing updos, like ponytails, half up, half down. I don't like wearing my hair down when it's like starts to get frizzy. And then I just have these cute little flower pins my mom gave me. I don't know, I might look 12, I have no idea. I feel like a ballerina. A pretty little ballerina. Yep, okay, so I will see you guys. And did you notice I shaved my eyebrows? Oh my gosh, please tell me why this one is bigger than the other. So I have to take off some more off the top of this one. I'm so sad. I don't know if you can notice. I really hope you can't, because I feel like I can see it in the mirror and I'm like, girl, you shaped them wrong. But yeah, here's the bun. Is it giving? This is my end of week 2, beginning of week 3 update. I'll see you guys at the end of the week when I take these out. Bye. Hey guys. Happy July 1st. It is the first of a new month and we're definitely gonna wrap this video up. I'm finally taking out my twist. First of all, look at this hairstyle, it's super cute. Like I took out half of the twist, but then I had to go out somewhere, so I just like put it in a half pony, and it is a little crazy, but like the length, I think this is like the cutest style. So now that I'm back home, I'm just gonna finish taking out the rest of these twists, and I'm excited to take measurements. Well, it's been 3 weeks and not even a full month, so it really might not even be like a bunch of new growth, honestly. Well guys, my hair is officially out of the braid, but I really like that. Like, I barely got fallout from these 3-week mini twists. I definitely would want to know how my hair would operate if I did this again for like 2 months, wash my hair after the first month, and then just like retwist the front and the back, because leaving it in longer is convenient, right? Although without hair extensions, I really feel like I would just do month to month basis with my own hair. I feel like it wasn't as much of a hassle installing it because I didn't have added hair. So most of my measurements around my head are at 20. There was like one random strand I measured that was at 21. Thanks guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you already have not. Also follow me on Instagram and TikTok because it's lit over there. Let me know what other videos you guys like to see. I'll see you later. Bye.